TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.
Apes rule.
TK the Science Guy.
Wind power. I'm a big fan. TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.
Hey C-Dub Bio, this is Mr. Kennedy. Today's lab experiment is all about camouflage. Can you find me? Look close. Do you see me in the picture? Where's Mr. Kennedy? Hey, here I am. You couldn't see me because I was camouflaged. Pretty good hiding skill, right? If you think about camouflage in terms of natural selection, I mean, it can be a matter of life and death. And as we've learned in class, well, sometimes you're born with that lucky pattern in your fur, your skin, your hair, whatever, that makes it possible for you to blend into your environment and avoid predation. And other times, you're not so lucky. So hey, we're gonna do a very simple experiment with this. I want you to go to our class webpage, find this handout, whoa, that one, in the evolution section of our class webpage. Come back here and join me. Remember, this lab activity, just like all the other ones, you're gonna need to put in your notebook. I'm not gonna give you all the data. You gotta do that by watching and listening and creating your own lab reports as we go. Get your paperwork, meet me back here. I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back, ladies and gents. I hope you have everything in order to do this activity. The first thing that you need to do is to go through the beginning of the lab and answer your pre-lab questions. Once you've got that, read over the procedures. It's a very simple activity, and as a matter of fact, while I do it, you can even do it by watching this video. So you don't have to take my word for the results. Get your own results without having to do anything at home other than watch TV. We're all good at that, right? So to be ready for the experiment, again, read over the procedures, and last, I want you to make a data table for your lab report. Okay, so take a few minutes, get your Google Doc open, make your data table, answer your pre-lab questions, read over your procedures, and let's get to work. So check this out. All we need to do for this experiment is, well, take a neat, colorful picture just like this one and some rainbow sprinkles and throw them on the picture. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. Then, in order to collect our data, well, you're gonna have to use the honor system, look away, and then quickly grab a piece off of the picture that's in front of me. That's it. And you're gonna do that 10 times. And as you do that, you're gonna keep track of what color sprinkle you were able to find and what background it was on. That's how we model the effectiveness of camouflage. So yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, there we go. Man, that was hard to get off. So, all I gotta do, yeah, is take some of these and throw them on the paper. That's it. I'll probably eat the rest. All right, so get ready to record your data, CW Bio. Here we go. All right, gang, here's the picture. Do you see the sprinkles? I'm gonna look away and reach down and grab, okay? So, I don't know, I'm gonna look away and I'm gonna grab one. If I can grab it. Oh, I crushed it. Maybe camouflage isn't so effective. So, this one, what's left is pink, right? Tiny little, there it is, tiny little pink sprinkle. And you can see by the crumbs, right? It was on kind of an orange flower. All right, ladies and gents, I'm gonna let you just stare at this picture for a few seconds and repeat what I just did until you found 10 sprinkles and recorded what background they were on. So here you go. Just what you always wanted to do. Stare at a picture covered with rainbow sprinkles. Pick out 10 and remember, record the background. Put it in your data table. Well, were you able to find 10 little rainbow sprinkles, and did you record the background that they were on? That's your data. Once you have that all taken care of, it's just a matter of answering a few analysis questions, and you guessed it. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done, right? Hopefully you get the connection between like camouflage and survivorship. If you can't be seen, then chances are you're not gonna get eaten. So, there's some good fortune to being born with that lucky birthmark. All right, I'm Mr. Kennedy. I hope you've learned at least a little bit about camouflage. This has been a lot of fun for me. I hope it's been fun for you. I'll see you next time.
TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.
Apes rule.
TK the Science Guy.
Wind power. I'm a big fan. TK the Science Guy.
TK the Science Guy.